We're right by the flats of the poor children. They're in there. Well, I guess most of them will be at school now. But this is the block connector for what's going on in Marsh Farm, the handle of the pan. The pan itself is in Hockwell Ring. Down here is where the Lord of the Manor lived, Luton Hoo. They've got a hotel there now. Proper blanket, guys, proper blanket. Proper blanket. Blank fornicator. They're sad little people, sad little gits they are. Doing it on purpose just to piss me off, but you know how it is. They're the dumbest people. The dumbest. See my T-line? The dumbest people. Yeah. For MOT test centre. Getting a new back door job. This is what we wanted to do, just drag it over for the play. For the play away. Make devils bow down, boy. Boys you are. Make every devil bow down. My humble walk against evil people. My humble walk against the world of evil people. Look at the Heritage Centre. Make a world of devils bow down, boy. Make a world of devils bow down. Yeah. Keep walking for you guys. So you can wake up and realise, wagwan, hateful people. A world of hateful people. Think somehow the sun can be stopped. You can poison him over with poison people. Pucker, guys, look how pucker that is. Yeah. The angels fly with me. The horses grey, white and blue. No black ones today. Yeah, boy. It's a great day. It's a great day. 7. It's a great day, 7. I know. You must can wake up, son. Yeah, man, it's a mega overrider. That's Mr. Kite up there. He likes to be above my head. Standing on the river, guys. Just chilling. Just pulling it over. And then we're going to walk around the town. Walk around the commercial centre. Look at the River Lee. It's flowing down to London. All the way to the Thames Link. 33 miles. Yeah, there's Mr. Kite. He's always up there. He always amazes me. He comes all the way from Stopsley to be in the zenith of my sky. He's amazing. Oh, there go the captives on their way back to jail. Poor boys, poor boys. Set the captives free, old Bill. Come the day of decision, mate, you're gonna have to let them all go. The worst of them, I'm sure, are gonna go with you to hell. Let me tell you, old Bill, this is my favourite standing spot, guys, with a mass accumulation of positive energies, the River Lee. My dad used to work over there. Vauxhalls, the Heritage Centre. They knew all the time. That's why they put my family on Lucy Farm. The rectangle with the Tomlinson Avenue going right through the middle. Like they didn't know I was here. Oh boy, are they gonna melt down in hell.